Okay, here's another unboxing. This is another one from Provident Metal. We're going to see what we got in here today. I should say tonight. What I remember ordering was 50 face value. And a few other things. So Providence, thank you, thank you. Let's start off with the $50 face value, see what they sent me. Hopefully it's not a bunch of dimes again. Yep, they love to send their dimes out. They don't look too bad though. Oh, they accidentally sent me a gold bar. Oh, no, that's copper. Dang. It's a nice copper bar. Made in the USA. That's a cool magnet. Invoice. 2 silver American Eagles. They were the random years. They're both 2016. They look good though. Trying to remember what should be in this bag. Probably some more face value money. Adding up the total. Yep, some more dimes. See if they sent me anything different. They sent me all dimes. That's alright. Wasn't that good of a variety, but I'm sure there's a variety of dimes. Hey, thank you, Provident Metals, and that's my unboxing for that one. Prescribe.